Hello and welcome to Peter Scott Cars. Today we have this 2012 Suzuki Splash Automatic. Just starting with the front of the vehicle. I'll get as close as I can so you can see no stone chips of any note. In fact, as I get very close to the edge of the bonnet, struggling to see any stone chips at all. Sort of most commonplace for them. Certainly no scuffs or marks to any of the bumper corners. I'll just go as slow as I can down the driver's side of the car, just so you can see all panels free for any parking dents, scratches, etc. There's literally nothing negative to report on the driver's door at all. The rear door in identical condition, no chips to any door edges, certainly no scratches underneath the door handles. Just also get a low down so you can see there's no marks or damage to any of the sills. Mirror covers also unmarked. All seats in excellent condition. No wear to the steering wheel at all, as you'd expect. Same with the gear knob with such low mileage. Has had the overmats fitted, so all the carpets and footwells are in excellent condition. Seats exactly the same as the front, all in excellent condition. Carpets in the rear are also benefiting from those overmats. Coming round to the rear of the vehicle, once again no marks to any of the bumper corners. Does have the rear parking sensors and the rear view camera. All the luggage compartment nice and clean, parcel shelf is present. No sign of any luggage rash at all to the rear of the bumper. No scuffs to any of the plastics on the upper tailgate either. Once again, no chips to any door edges at all. As previously mentioned, both mirror covers completely unmarked. Passenger side of the vehicle is exactly the same as the driver's, nothing negative to report at all. Really is a fantastic example. It is worth noting all our vehicles are independently inspected by the AA. That is a 128-point inspection, which includes a 5-mile road test by an AA engineer, just to make sure the car is correct in every way. That inspection report can be viewed on our website at www.peterscottcars.co.uk. All our contact information is also on there, so if you do need any further info or would like to arrange a viewing or test drive, then please do not hesitate to get in touch. Now you have our full walk around video. Hope you did find that helpful, and thanks so much for taking the time to watch.